My name is Yanto. In 2018, I began my triathlon journey. Here I am at the Cardiff Triathlon in 2019. I loved it so much I signed up for the following year, and by early 2020, I was already deep in training. And then COVID hit. For the next 6 months, COVID left me pretty much bedbound with a whole raft of quite frankly terrifying symptoms. Unable to stand, speech loss, muscle spasms, blood clots, hair loss, insomnia, brain fog, gut issues, and many more. As for the doctors, they had no clue what was wrong with me. I connected with others on social media reporting similar symptoms, and I learned of a term coined by the patients themselves, long COVID. Even now, 5 years on, there are no tests, no approved treatments, or any guarantee you'll ever fully recover. Your only hope is that your symptoms just subside over time. After a prolonged stay in hospital in late 2020, I turned a corner and slowly I began to recover. Even today, I'm not 100% and I still manage lingering symptoms. Sadly, I've had to give up triathlons, and with it any notion that I'll ever compete in Ironman Wales. Now you might think I'm just an isolated case or COVID only affects those with underlying health issues, but the reality is it can affect anyone. And the more times you catch COVID, the more likely you are to get long COVID. In the last 5 years, there have been numerous cases of professional athletes whose career has been curtailed by long COVID. Here's Graeme Kelly, a triathlete from Ireland, Chris Silver, a triathlete from Wales, Dr. Tamsin Lewis, an Ironman competitor from England. Even this year, German Ironman winner Anne Haug was forced to retire as a result of COVID-induced diabetes. This isn't just restricted to triathletes, by the way. At the Paris Olympics, there were numerous reports of athletes collapsing either while competing or soon afterward. Sprinter Noah Lyles competed while infected with COVID-19 and was later carried off with oxygen. Mark my words, COVID is still here and we are all one infection away from long COVID. Just last year, the organisers of the Tour de France reintroduced COVID protocols, including the wearing of masks, following an outbreak within the peloton. The idea being it would preserve the health of the greatest athletes in the world to allow them to continue performing at the highest level. But this begs the question, why is it that the same treatment isn't being afforded to those who are critically ill in hospital?
Morning, Florida. For 364 days of the year, Tenby is a quaint, lovely seaside town nestled on the Pembrokeshire coast. Apart from one day, and on that one day they host Ironman Wales, considered by many to be one of the toughest in the world. A 2.4 mile swim, a 112 mile cycle, followed by a 26 mile run, all back to back. All has to be done within 17 hours. I'd say they could use some long COVID support.
This is Tenby, this is Wales, this is Ironman Wales 2025. Age group at 3, 2, 1. Underway into that rover swim this morning. The very best of luck, every single athlete. You have one job today. A big shout out again to all of our incredible volunteers and spectators. You've already surpassed my expectations. You are amazing. The crowd in Wales never ever disappoints, and we know that you're going to be with us right through until the
was set to be a long day, and Welshpool needed something to keep him going, so a quick pit stop was in order. And what could be better than some lovely Welsh cakes? Bendigedig. After leaving the old town, I headed to Saundersfoot and the renowned Heartbreak Hill to catch up with the action there.
You know it.
Love it! What a fucking legend!
Cheers, mate.
Come on, beans, more beans!
Loving the headway.
Don't you worry, child. See heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now.
doubles the power.
James, 14:37 on the clock. James, you are an Ironman. Merthyr Track Club. Well done, you. Now this is Jacob Hugo. Huge effort from Jacob Hugo. You are an Ironman. Awesome. Billy Cutler. You are an Ironman. Rodri. You are an Ironman. Dennis Hasty. You are an Ironman. You've been very handy up there indeed. Matthew Ely. You are an Ironman. Richard Lewis. You are.
Congratulations to all the Iron men and women this year. As we say in Wales, fair play.
And the run, and now you've got them on the finish line.